Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this a small video about pound USD. So let's get started here. I just want to show you that pound USD, I made this chart several years ago, in fact in 2018. This is the chart I made, a monthly chart of pound USD. And you can see here my analysis, Elliott wave, correction, A, B, C, D, and then this CD leg, like I said, CD leg making A, B, C, D in cell within it. So it was here below 42.37. And I said the target would be this 127%. Now this chart, it went down, it went up, and then it came down. And then what happened as of today, you can see this is the chart. We were here at the time, right? Below 42.37. So it came down, we went up again. And after this, basically, when we were here, I made another chart. You can see here. You see that? So we came down here, we went up. So I said, okay, we are back to this 42.37, but we're not going to go up. This is wave C ending, like it's like wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2, and then 3, something like that. So it's supposed to come down from C to D, long distance, but that's what my calculation was, 100%, around 85. And this is what it did last week. Okay, so we came down all the way here. Not in 1 week, obviously. This one candle represent 1 month, right? So, but this is what happened last week ending. We are here now, and we came down, but now we are going back up to test this these levels, 1475, 1409. If we can manage to stay below, we're going to continue dropping. So this is how it is. Now, knowing this pair and trading only last week, which started on the 26th, from 26th to 30th, how many pound USD trades I did using my strategy, my system. Let me show it to you. This is on the 26th first. What happened basically, look here, it came down, down, down. So this is where the week started. Okay, so it came down a little bit, and I was like, oh, what happened? Okay, and after that, it started to go up. So that's where I got in. Let me show you 40-minute chart. This is the line. The week started, it came down here, the back of the bank news, Bank of England. And after that, start to retrace this, this, and this. So between these moves, here I have these trades. Pound USD on the 26th, going to the upside, my long entry, buy order, SL move to break even, 160 pip. After that, on the 26th again, after going to the upside, start dropping again. It was like seesaw all week. So start selling, sell order here, and then came down here with 130 pip to the downside. Then one more shot at the downside on the 28th for 130 pip, sell order here, SL move to break even plus. And then on the 28th, after dropping, then it started to go up again and 200 pip to the upside on the 28th. This is, you see this buy order here and SL right there. This is the strategy that I use to, the system, creative trading system. Used to be Magic IB system, right? So that's the setup that I use. And then one more shot to the upside for 75 pip on the 28th. And then one more shot to the upside on the 29th. Again from here, 400 pip. So you see it's almost like 5-6 trades. Only this pair gave me because of the chart. Obviously it was down, 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 but everything comes down, that goes up, right? And that goes up, that comes down. So it was all the way down and it started to go up. And this is where I took advantage of that. And hopefully, like I said, that if we can stay below 1409, next week, we may start dropping again. So watch 1409 for the clues. And this is it. So whatever the trades I'm going to take, I'll show you later. If you want to get the system, you want to be a part of it, then go to my website and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the weekend.